Your mental self-reclamation blueprint. This training is set up to use the power of mindfulness and mental focus to help people reclaim their lives. It doesn't matter whether you are feeling stuck, feeling frustrated, or you just feel that your life is meaningless. When you follow this blueprint, you start living your life with a renewed sense of purpose. How come? You gain perspective. It turns out that if you're like most people, you spend your life in such a way when you're pouring a tremendous amount of your focus and energy on things that actually keep you stuck. You can't devote them to things and activities that can actually take you where you want to go. You have to reclaim yourself because nobody else is going to do it for you. It doesn't matter how much they say they love you. It doesn't matter how much they say they know you or accept you. At the end of the day, everybody's got enough problems of their own. You have to do this yourself. You have to take the initiative. Nobody else will do it for you. Please pay attention to the blueprint below. This blueprint proceeds on a step-by-step basis. You have to master and fully carry out the previous step for the next step to make sense and produce results. I will talk about the following self-reclamation steps. Step number 1, take stock. Step number 2, get real. Step number 3, get quiet. Step number 4, refocus. Step number 5, scale. One final word. What I'm going to teach you in this training is not magic. It's not mysticism, nor does it involve religion. The techniques that you will learn here work with how your mind is already configured. You're not doing something new to your brain. You're just tapping abilities that it already has. It really all boils down to shifting your focus and your energy. Everything else will flow because your mind already has these abilities.